Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a decluttering video for you. We are in the process of getting ready to move and I need to get rid of some stuff before we actually start packing. So if you need some decluttering motivation, then stay tuned. So like I said, we are getting ready to move very soon. We have just about a month. And my bathroom cabinets are in a pretty big mess. They are not organized very much. They're organized just very little, not very much. I was going through them this morning. I was looking for my eyelashes, my falsies, but I'm not wearing them right now. But I was looking for them and I was like, this place is a mess. I really need to get under here and declutter. So I watched the YouTube video, Do It on a Dime. I'm sure all of you have heard of her. If not, I will link her channel above. But I was watching one of her videos and she was talking about small bathroom organization. And she was using all of these Dollar Tree bins. So I went to the Dollar Tree actually twice in the past like 10 days. So I'm going to show you what I plan on using to help me get organized. And that way it will be easier for me to pack up the stuff that's in my cabinets whenever it is time for us to move. Okay, so these are the containers that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I only bought 2 of these clear ones with the white lids. And I bought these today. I bought these last week. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these gray ones. And I didn't realize that they're actually 2 different sizes and shapes. Not sure if you can tell. They're close, but they're not quite. So because I was trying, I was like, oh, I wonder if that lid will go, but it won't. I mean, they'll stack, it'll just be uneven. So anyway, and I don't think that will stay, because that one is smaller, so that one will stay better. Sorry, my bed's not all the way made. So this smaller, like fatter one will stay on top of the white. I bought these permanent markers. I've never bought permanent markers from Dollar Tree before, so I don't know how good they will be. And these were the last of the labels that they had. It's a 50-pack. So this drawer is really hard to pull out because of what we have in here. That's a Dollar Tree container, but it's this right here. It bends and it's horrible. And we're about to move in a month, so it doesn't really matter, but I would like for it to be easier to open. And so this is what my bathroom drawer looks like. And I can't finish opening it because I can't finish opening it because something else is stuck. This other one. So yeah, there's my husband's razors, toothbrush, miscellaneous, rubber bands, contacts, oils, all that stuff. And then in this cabinet, okay, so like I said, I did already go through here a little bit this morning whenever I was looking for my lashes, and I found several empty boxes. I don't know why I'm such a box hoarder, but I just went through and threw away the empty boxes, but I did not go through and like declutter necessarily because there's several things that I want to give away, probably to my mom. And there's possibly still some things in here that I want to throw away.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better.
So this is where we're at right now. I've kind of established that this is all kids stuff. This is my skincare, but I didn't want to put this in there because I didn't want it to leak. And then I have like oral care. That's just a miscellaneous bottle. My contact stuff, deodorants. This is my daughter's. This is a travel. Some of my hair stuff. I have some hair stuff in my closet in my bathroom. Hair brushes and things like that. And then up here I have all these contact cases. If you guys know like contact case hacks or things that you can reuse them for, like I don't know, maybe small earrings, or I don't know, maybe like a travel hack or something like that you can put in here, like spices, I don't know. Now I'm gonna start pulling this stuff out.
So much better, and baby you don't belong. Your love was cold, heart made of stone, but I'm just fine, I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating my liberation. I'm moving strong, I'm moving on. I'm alright, alright, alright. Might be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes. Tables turn in your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby you don't belong. I don't wanna be alone. Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that
Okay, so this is the stuff that I decided to get rid of. This Nurture by Nature skincare products. Sorry. And this shampoo. I know my mom will take this stuff, so don't just think I'm just going to give it to someone. This face wash that I only used once. I got it from Grove Collaborative, and they sent it to me as a free gift, but I wasn't crazy about it, so I'm giving it to my mom. I had 2 of these eyeshadows. I actually already gave her one of them, and now I'm giving her the other. And then this lip gloss I'm giving to my mom. And now for the reveal. So those still get a little stuck, but here we are. So now mine and my husband's toothbrushes and toothpaste are separated. They're no longer in the same container. That's his, that's mine. Our floss, my contact case, his razors, I guess they're mine too, but anyway. the rubber bands whenever I ask the girls to go get a rubber band so I can put their hair up. There's that. A hair clip. I do want to keep one oil in here. This is really good for like detox baths. Another hair clip. I use this for the girls. That's my husband's comb and bobby pins. There is nothing else back there. Just to show you. Sorry, it looks really nasty, but I did wipe it off with that method wipe. It's stained apparently. So there's that. And for the cabinet, it's not perfect, but it's definitely a lot better than what it was. Sorry, that cabinet squeaks really bad. So this is my 3-year-old's toothbrush and toothpaste. This is my 4-year-old's toothbrush and toothpaste. These are all of our brushes, combs, picks, and all that kind of stuff. This is my oldest daughter's deodorant. Back there is just some makeup stuff and those contact cases. There's my lashes. Underneath that is all the kids stuff and this little white bin. So this is all the kids stuff in there. They have their own stuff in their own bathroom, but I also keep stuff in here for them. Over here on this side, I have contact stuff, deodorants, oral care. There's my skincare stuff. So at night I can just pull this out whenever I'm using these because I pretty much do all this every night. And there's my hair care stuff. I put this in the back because I don't wash my hair every single day, and there's a few items in here that I'll only pull out like twice a week, and then other things I may pull out like 4 times a week. So I just put it in the back because this stuff I'm going to use more frequent. And then this, so I didn't want to put it in the skincare bin, tote thingy, whatever. So I didn't want to put that in there because I was afraid it would leak. And then there's my mirror. So that's that. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up.
And here is a sneak peek of my bathroom closet. This will be the part 2 to my bathroom declutter and organization. So stay tuned for that. It will be out within the next week or 2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I do not want to give you more of my life.